What up, class? This will be your one-step equation worksheet. It's pretty easy, and I gave you guys an extra set, the same problems rewritten in their own bubble. So the problems up here are the exact same problems down here. So if you don't want to do the coloring part, you don't have to. If you just want to do the 25 problems, you can do that too. But they're all one step. So everything should take one inverse operation. So number one, and I'm just grabbing it from here, 23 equals 7 plus x. And I rewrote it here so you have room to use, to kind of mess around. So if you look, the goal is to get x by itself. So we look at what's happening. We are adding a 7, so we do the opposite. We subtract 7. 23 minus 7, just use your calculator. X equals 16. So then you go up here, find all the 16s and color them red. There's going to be quite a few. I think that's it for now. All right. X minus 8 equals 12. And what's that color going to be? Brown. Okay. Look at X. What is happening to X? We are subtracting 8, so we do the opposite. Add 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. X equals 20. So anywhere you see 20, you're now going to color in brown. Tan. What do I have? That'll work. Okay. -3 is equal to x over 6. So this is the first one where you got to look at the fraction and remember that a fraction is just a division problem. Remember the division symbol looks like a fraction with dot over dot. We do the opposite. Instead of dividing 6, multiply by 6. -3 times 6 is -18. Bring down your x, and that's it. X equals -18. So anywhere you see -18, you're going to color it tan. Red again. -126 is equal to 14x. So when they are side by side, they're married with multiplication. So we divorce them with division. Instead of multiplying by 14, divide 14. -126 divided by 14. -9. X plus 3 is equal to negative 22. Just do the opposite. Look at X. What's happening to X? Plus 3. Do the opposite. Minus 3. Anytime you see a negative, just use your calculator. Negative 22 minus 3 is negative 25. 4 plus x equals 9. I may have rewritten that for you to look more of like what I'll put on the test. X plus 4 equals 9, but it is the same problem. It's just written in x is in the middle. I like to put x on the edge, so it'd be x plus 4 equals 9. Find your x. What is happening to x? Well, we are adding a 4. So do the opposite. Subtract a 4. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. 9 minus 4 is 5. X equals 5. Blue. X minus 5 equals 3. Look at your x. What's happening to x? Subtracting 5. Do the opposite. Add 5. Bring down x. Whatever you do to one side, do the other. 3 plus 5 is 8. X equals 8. Really, just one little blue 8. Okay. 0. Negative 3x equals 0. 0 rule. If you divide, well, you can't divide by 0, but if you multiply by 0, you'll get 0. So dividing out 3, negative 3, because they're married with multiplication side by side, we divorce them with division. 0 divided by a negative 3 will be 0. Okay. I think you guys have enough information. I'll do 2 more, and then you can finish the rest. So negative 9 plus x equals negative 17. I probably rewrote that to where x is on the edge. And instead of saying negative 9 plus x, I just wrote x minus 9 is equal to negative 17. Find your x. What's happening to x? We are subtracting 9, so we do the opposite. Add 9, both sides. Negative 17 plus 9. Again, you use your calculator whenever there's negatives. We get negative 8. This one, negative 8. One more. Negative 100 is equal to negative 10x. This will be yellow. Negative 100 is equal to negative 10 times the number x. Well, what times 10 would be x? If you don't know, use the opposite. Normally multiply, but we divorce with division. Divide out negative 10 to both sides. Bring down x. Negative 100 divided by negative 10 is a positive 10. Negative divided by negative makes positive, so this is 10. All right. Do the rest on your own, or at least as much as you can. You don't have to do the coloring if you don't want to, but just get about 20 of them done. You should be able to get that much done. All right. Good luck.